What are you doing?
What?
Are you eating the...
Good morning, it's cereal day, so I'm having Fruit Loops, which are vegan.
It's lunchtime and we are having these. Tolani's still in her pajamas because I don't know why.
They're so cozy.
So we're having these veggie chicken nuggets and yeah. Then probably for a side or something we were gonna have veggie, like they're these veggie chips things. They're these veggie straws. And like I don't know. This you could tell that someone's been eating them and stuff like that. And we're gonna.
That's you.
Yes, they taste good.
I never tried them.
Then probably for a snack we can have like some. Tolani got this applesauce, mango peach, or yogurt. Or no, we can't even have yogurt. But to be honest, I really just want this veggie thing to be over with because like there's this stuff like my mom just got this. Like no, my dad got it for my mom and she said that she didn't really want it. So and we tried one of the like cans. Oh my gosh, it tasted so good. And then after that, my dad just bought some meat and stuff like that. Like, yeah, he brought this meat pie. He bought like a lot and like, it's just
like on the first day of the vegan challenge, he bought the meat pie, and then he was like, and
yeah, because he didn't know that we were doing the veggie or vegan challenge and stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and eat and yeah. Yeah, and we are also going to have these lemonade packets that we took on the trip, but we didn't finish it, and yeah.
Are you still in your pajamas? I know it's summer break, right? Girl,
so
yeah, you need to change out of your pajamas eventually.
okay.
Why are you still in your pajamas?
Because they're so cozy.
Cozy. Okay.
I mean, it smells weird, but it tastes like fish. It tastes right. It tastes more like fish than chicken, but at least it's something to eat, and it tastes good.
Yeah. I'm not having that. I'm having rice and beans, and then I'm gonna use that pasta sauce that had the ground beef with it. Add a lot of pepper to it because I like spicy, my food spicy. So, but
all of us do.
yeah, but I just came downstairs. I'm actually not gonna take a walk break today because I'm so busy. Anyway, I'm always saying that.
Wait.
I feel like I'm always saying I'm so busy, but
All of us really like spicy sauce, like something spicy, because like we got this spicy ketchup, and by the way it tastes really good. So
yeah. Let me see that. I don't know, have you guys had this before? This is sriracha. And see, I'm in my mommy Nigerian mommy girl. Anyway, without the shots though. So yeah, my rice is ready. Oh, let's go get it. And this is, yeah, my rice. And I use a paper towel. Yeah, I did. I'm not on my mommy game today. But girls, I will see you guys later. Are you dizzy? Are you dizzy yet? These kids, they are messing with my brain. Messing with my brain. Let me tell you what just happened. Okay, so usually, you know, Ellen, I think 2 vlogs ago, how many vlogs ago? Some vlogs ago, I was talking about chores and how I do these chores where Tolani is on days she does you know, if I have to send him on an errand or wash the dishes. A day is days that starts with the letter T, and any other days are days that don't start with any letter T.
And Fridays are for you.
So today, and Fridays are my day. So today, I'm like, Tony, why are there dishes in the sink? And she said, it's Friday. And then Yola goes, it's Friday. And I'm like, no, it's not. You guys are messing with my brain. It's not Friday. And I was actually looking at the calendar. I'm like, it's not Friday. I know that my brain is not working the way it should work because it hasn't had any meat. Oh my, I need cocoa and I'm missing my cocoa. I need cocoa. I've not drank coffee. Coffee is not vegan. Thank you for the person that told me. But now we are gonna cut up some watermelon. It's watermelon time.
Do you know how to cut it in the way that Eniola wanted to?
Yes, I know how to cut in the way I wanted to. And then that shirt is too small for you. If I can see your belly or when you bend down, are you gonna wear that to the gym with your bonnet? No. She's been wearing that bonnet all day long.
Oh, and I changed.
Yeah, finally she took a bath. Stinky head. You need to moisturize your hair. This is what, okay, come in.
Oh, geez.
Now you guys want to see how her hair looks when it's dry. See, she didn't moisturize her hair, nothing. This is how it looks.
I'll spray water on it.
Why haven't you moisturized your hair?
I never did.
Oh my goodness. Ugh. So this is my watermelon. And we're gonna cut it up.
Okay.
White color, you forgot that these have seeds. No, you could eat the white one. What about the brown?
Oh my gosh, this vegan thing. Yesterday, let me tell you guys what happened yesterday. So yesterday, my husband, I was working at the dining table. My husband sat right next to me, and he was eating meat, and I was looking at the meat, and then I went and I kissed him, and I could taste it. I couldn't taste the meat.
You're not cheating.
That's not cheating.
Look at my spoon.
Oh my gosh, my spoon compared to hers. And this is the biggest spoon we have in the house, so.
Hey guys, enjoying your watermelon?
Yes.
Do you want more?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta chill it.
What's that?
Okay, so this is the watermelon. This is all the watermelon, and I'm gonna chill it.
What is that?
When you put it in the fridge. Oh my, don't put your hand.
No.
Don't put your hand. Watch your manners. Don't.
Okay, we won't put our hand.
Okay, not the spoon double dipping.
We're not double.
Really? You are double dipping.
We're double scooping.
Okay, wait. Wait now, Abba.
We're double scooping.
Oh yeah. Take what you want.
Okay.
There's one. Don't use your hand. That is dirty. Where's those hands?
I want
babe?
everything.
Okay, take watermelon. Watermelon is good for you. We're going to the gym, okay?
Okay.
So for dinner
Stop taking everything.
today, what did I say we're gonna have for dinner?
Rice and beans or something.
Oh yeah, for dinner today they're having rice and beans. So I'm gonna show you what they're having. I've already cooked it, and this is what they're having. I already had mine for lunch because usually after I work out I don't eat a lot of stuff. They're gonna have this here, and they're gonna have it with some of that sauce, and this is, yeah, it's kind of there's a little bit of the sauce, and that's the ground meatless meat. And I am going to, I still didn't finish these beans. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired of eating beans. So but I'm probably gonna have a smoothie, banana with apple and spin.
What are you doing?
What?
Are you eating the meat pie?
I'm just smelling it. I'm just smelling it. I'm just, oh my god.
And I need to show you guys how, wait, did he eat some?
Of course he's eating his meat pie. I didn't eat it. I didn't eat the meat pie.
I don't
No, I
believe
didn't eat it.
you.
No,
Did she eat it?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
So you're just smelling it.
Smelling it. That's it. That's all.
Did you eat it? Maybe both of you ate it.
No, your dad ate. Oh my.
I didn't eat it.
I didn't eat it. It was mommy.
Oh.
Oh, that was good.
Let's see what else is.
Oh, tofu. Yum yum.
Wow, it's vegan and we have
so close.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see. Oh, bread.
Okay.
Ice cream. All this stuff.
Oh, we can't drink. Oh, I'm gonna make some vegan ice cream. Remember?
How do you make?
Try them.
Okay.
How do you make vegan ice cream? Can you watch the video?
Oh! So good morning, everyone. It's day 5 and I'm so excited. We only have 2 more days. And for breakfast we're having some Fruit Loops, which we had yesterday because these are so good. And I'm also having applesauce. She's having applesauce with it.
Because I needed fruit.
So you may have noticed our mom hasn't been on the camera. She's been so busy, like really busy. So we're gonna show you what we're having for lunch. And for lunch we are having some veggie patties.
And we are also gonna have some potatoes
on the side.
and they're gonna be nicely seasoned and they're gonna be probably delicious.
So our mom actually made some potatoes last night for our dad, and so what I'm going to do is cut it up, pan fry it, then add most of these seasonings.
So I was just about to do the quick way and just warm up 2 at a time, but on the packaging, on the back, it says microwaving more than 1 burger at a time is not recommended. This is my favorite part.
Thumbs up. Are you showing a good child of God? Okay, so the girls, can you pause it? Can you pause it? So we're getting ready to head out, and I need to get my eyebrow done. I've always what's going on back there?
I don't know.
Why are you sitting at the back?
Well, I want to show her a video from when we were younger. If you guys want to be like, oh, they're so cute, watch this video.
Wait, no, I know a really cute video.
Working from home.
Yeah, I know. It's not gonna be that video of you just saying ice cream for 10 minutes.
Yeah, but it's so cute.
Yeah. You know you didn't bring in the trash can.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go bring in the trash can.
Go to the Raising Kids
So,
playlist, and then on the first video you can see me, so cute.
me. So cute.
When I was 2 years old.
Okay, so while we're waiting for Eniola to get back, my eyebrow is messed up. This is my eye. See my eyebrow? My eyebrow is messed up. So I'm gonna go get my eyebrow done, and usually I get my eyebrow threaded, but for some reason I feel as if they've been jacking it up, like it's been messed up. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get my eyebrow waxed. I've not waxed my eyebrow in probably like a year or so, so I'm gonna try and see if that will do it, because I was looking at older videos and my eyebrows were on flick, and in addition my battery is dying and I need to buy a second battery. But girls, remind me to do that. But in addition we need bread. We've not had bread for 5 days now. Today is day 5.
2 more days.
I know, 2 more days, but we need bread. We're craving for bread, so we're gonna go on the hunt for bread, and hopefully my battery won't die, and if it dies, well, I'll just use my phone. So that's what we're doing right now, going to get my eyebrow, and then we're coming back home, and that's it.
That's my baby in her chest.
What's that? Let me see. So this is my eyebrow. It's not on fleek. Not on fleek. So for dinner, I think I'm gonna make the girls like a taco thing. Oh, look at that. You girls want that?
Ooh, for breakfast we
The
can
black
have
bean.
corn dogs.
You guys want that? So we just realized that Walmart don't have the vegan food stuff that we like right here.
What? No.
It hurts.
So this is my eyebrow right now. I forgot how much this hurt. I look normal. It's on flick now. My eyebrow's on flick.
So I do not want to.
You're getting yours done next. You're next.
No.
And you?
I like eyebrows are already on fleek.
I don't want to do it. I'm scared.
My good eyebrows.
I'm scared, really. I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
Look at my eyebrows. Fleek. Fleek. So for dinner we're gonna have veggie dogs. So we're gonna make it in a saucepan, which is the recommended method.
So how is it?
Should.
Yeah. She does. Why are you sitting here?
Because I don't want to watch Sharknado.
Yeah, like we heard on the news that Sharknado 5, like by the way, Sharknado fans.
Sharknado, Sharknado.
And like they said that they were, I think they were making, or it's already out, episode
Sharknado 5.
Yeah.
So
Sharknado
now
5.
we're gonna watch Sharknado 4.
Because we never knew that.
And this is Sharknado 4. It's
Yeah,
on Netflix.
it's on Netflix,
So if you want, we're gonna do Netflix and chill with my homegirl right here. So this is Sharknado 4.
The Fourth Awakens.
So this is the end of today. We will see you guys tomorrow on day number 6 of vegan. Talani, we're making it day number 6.
You could tell she's, oh my gosh, and she just got it.
How was it? Was it really good?
Does it
better
taste
than
like
does it taste better than normal hot dog?
Oh,
Okay, so we
wow.
should start buying this one. We don't really eat hot dog that much, so
Yeah, so-
who knows? Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Boy.